Hello, Safa. How are you doing?
I'm doing well. Thank you for asking. How are you doing?
I'm doing fine as well. So today, Safa, I want to ask some questions about your best friend.
Yes, please go ahead.
So, I want to start with the basic question. Who is your best friend?
Well, we all know that everyone has at least one best friend. As a matter of fact, I also have a best friend. My best friend happens to be my own cousin, and he is called Jaidal Mubin Dipto, and we've been pretty close since our childhood.
So, how did you meet your best friend?
Actually, I met him at my uncle, auntie's house and also at school. We've studied 4th grade and 5th grade together, and we've become pretty close since we're in the same school.
So, what is your best friend's favorite hobby?
I'd say my best friend really loves to draw and paint. He has a passion for drawing abstract objects such as tables, chairs, and trees.
Okay, what does your best friend look like?
My best friend is pretty tall and slim, and he is good in maths and science, and I would say that he doesn't really like sports.
I guess I'm taller. And do you share your secrets with your best friend?
Yes, I share my secrets with my best friends. He keeps my secrets safe, and I trust him for that.
Thank you, Safa, answering my questions.
Of course. Now, may I ask you some questions about your best friend?
Of course, why not?
Okay. How did you meet your best friend?
Well, I met my best friend at the beginning, first day of our school, on pre-play, the first stage.
Yes.
I met him. Then we sat beside together in the same class. That's how I met my best friend.
I see. What games do you two play together?
We used to play football on the field, since it's hot now, the temperature is rising.
Mm-hmm.
So now we play it online like a mobile game. You know about FC Mobile?
Yeah, I do.
Yeah, we play it together online.
That's interesting. How often do you meet your best friend?
Since me and my best friend are studying together from the beginning, I have seen him from 10 years now. So still I know him and we still study together in the same class. So I see him 5 days a week, except the weekends. We usually call then. We still have the connection on the weekends, but we face-to-face meet on the weekdays. We have school, the hell.
That's pretty cool. What do you like most about your best friend?
I like his trustworthiness and his confidence. He's only one of the guys that you can trust anything with, like anything flabbergasting happens and you can tell him and he would not expose it to anyone.
Okay. Last but not least, do you and your best friend fight sometimes?
We usually don't fight. We happen to break the boundaries really, really rare because we don't have any types of misjudgment in ourselves, but we usually fight with silly stuffs for fun. But when it comes to important matters, we unitedly solve the problem.
That's great. Thank you for answering my questions.
Thank you, Safa.
Thank you too.
Have a nice day.
You too.